Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2021 Harley-Davidson Sportster 48. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2021 Harley-Davidson Sportster 48 with 8,727 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and a keyless ignition. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket front fairing, aftermarket handlebars, footrests, an open stage 1 intake, an LED headlight, Cobra mufflers, an aftermarket seat, a timing cover, shift linkage, and Screaming Eagle spark plug wires. Powered by a 1202cc V-twin engine, the Sportster puts 73 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 2.1-gallon fuel capacity, the Sportster has an 80 to 100-mile range. It has a 27.2-inch seat height and a 564-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear at 930 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the exhaust pops on deceleration. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's corrosion on the exhaust, corrosion on the foot pegs, bubbling on the front fender, and bubbling on the rear fender. This bike has 1 key and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.